Alright, so I pull into a Flying J Pilot truck stop. There's a TA across the street and a Flying J on this side. And I think I better get my fuel now before I get down the road, because I'm getting ready to go into the hurricane. What if the power's out down below here and I can't get fuel? And I pull in and this is what I see. These fucking pumps are all wrapped up. I'm like, oh man, fuck, they don't have any power here either. The son of a gun. And I pull up to the pump and it's all, wrapped up here, and there's a sign on it that said diesel available. I was like, what the hell? But here they just wrap them up because the wind blowing the rain all around and shit. But I didn't really need fuel right now, and I thought, you know what, Mike, you better just get it, because I'm right on the tip, just the tip of this here hurricane, and it's getting windy. Like, it's windy. I'm a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie. They weren't calling for this again. They've changed this on me now, I don't know how many freaking times. I should have stayed the hell home, I guess. I don't care, I'm going until I can't go no more. So I'll be in Miami tomorrow morning. If you see this video, I made it. Or I got bored and posted it. I'm not far away. It's 2 a.m. and I'll be down there by 6:30, 7 o'clock. I'll be down there by 7 if all goes well. If all goes well, I'll be down there by 7, and it's a little after 2, so I'm what, 5 hours away. Alright, that math's right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll be down there within 5 hours. I'm right on the tip of this bitch. I'm just, I think right around St. Augustine. Oh my god, I got the hiccups now. I got the hiccups. I think I'm around St. Augustine, Florida right now. And the hurricane stretches from here, like clear down past shoot, I can't remember the name of it. Down almost to St. Lucie, something like that. Down below Cocoa Beach and all that. I don't know. I'm sure you guys have seen it. But yeah, wish me luck, guys. Jeez, good Lord, I just got on the highway and man, I mean, you can't see it now, but I had freaking wind and rain hit me and it's like, holy shit balls. It's my first little blast up the hurricane here. I got a long ways to go. I mean, holy cow. I can't believe how hard it hit that thing.